Woodworking can be incredibly rewarding, but why do so many people struggle to find success in it? Let's dive into the top reasons people fail in woodworking, and how to avoid these common pitfalls. Mistake number 1, lack of planning. The first big mistake? Not planning properly. Skipping detailed plans leads to errors, wasted materials, and frustration. Before you pick up your tools, make sure you've got a clear blueprint or design. Mistake number 2, wrong tools for the job. Using the wrong tools is another common reason people fail. If you're not using the right equipment, you'll waste time and effort. Invest in tools that suit the project and make sure they're well maintained. Mistake number 3, poor measuring and cutting. Measure twice, cut once, that old saying exists for a reason. Inaccurate measuring is one of the biggest woodworking blunders. Precision is key, and small mistakes can ruin your entire project. Mistake number 4, lack of patience. Woodworking takes time, and rushing leads to mistakes. Patience is the difference between a successful project and one that gets abandoned. Take your time, and you'll get better results. Mistake number 5, giving up too soon. Lastly, many people give up too soon after facing a challenge. Woodworking isn't always easy, and mistakes happen. The key is to learn from them, adapt, and keep going. So, if you're struggling with woodworking, remember, plan carefully, use the right tools, take your time, and don't give up. With practice, anyone can master woodworking. Subscribe or follow Woodworking Zone to learn about woodworking.